8121 Moonlight Meadows. There's a bulge in the garage door here. A couple of satellite dishes. That's the entrance to the community straight ahead. These are the mailboxes. Okay. Okay, garage door is not, the light's not coming on. There's a lot of storage and a water softener. The walls are pretty much the color, except for this room, that we usually do, but I think we may have to repaint it. The property manager will have to make that call in person. It's hard to tell. The lighting's really dim in here, and there's certain areas that need to be painted over for sure, but it's just hard to tell with this lighting. So we have 4 different floorings, I guess. Pavers, other pavers, those, and then the concrete. So part of what I'm talking about is, I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but there's a line here, 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 all kinds of patchwork or whatever, and that. So it's just lots of little things everywhere. These are nice cabinets and beautiful counters. These are the right blinds. We have a TV mount here. Okay, let's head upstairs. Carpet looks okay. About what you'd expect. These are the right blinds. Laundry room upstairs with tile. Bonus points. Looking good. Just, replace the light bulbs as necessary. Linen closet. These are the right blinds. We have some curtain holder thingies. Repaint. Okay. Repaint in here. Yeah, I'd say 100% repaint. Whoa. Huh. Okay, this was used as a closet, obviously. It's really easy to take those down. Those are the right blinds. Carpet seems okay. Tile. That's great. That's the right blinds. These are stickers. They can come off. Maybe you want to repaint that as well, but you would do that when you repaint the property. Pretty straightforward. Okay. Cabinets just need to be cleaned. Counter looks good. Lights are beautiful. Replace the light bulbs. And when you just look at this minus all of this stuff, it's a nice size loft area.